Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Look at this बकवास. I'm so fed up of my hair यार. हर 2 दिन कौन wash करते रहेगा? And the important question for today is, do I do a sleek bun or should I tie a pony and then do a braid? Because whatever I do, it's going to be slick back. But I have a headache. Because yesterday also I did a slick back. So उसकी वजह से my head is hurting थोड़ा सा. But अब क्या कर सकते हैं? अब ऑप्शन तो यही है हमारे पास. I'm thinking I should do a slick back pony situation. The thing is, after the gym, when I have to take a shower, I get so exhausted that I'm too tired to just wash my hair at night. And in the morning when I have to wash my hair, I think that if I wash my hair now and then मैं gym जाऊंगी, so उसके बाद मेरा oily हो जाएगा बाल. तो फिर फायदा क्या है wash करने का? Yeah, you can tell it's a very serious problem. So I am going out. I have a few out of the house errands, but I've just been so lazy to get out. I've just realized if I don't have a good hair day, I don't feel like doing anything. I feel like, what's the point? I'm not gonna look good in whatever I do. Your hair is just such an important part in making you look presentable. I need to change my top now because it's not going with my hair. गुस्सा आ रहा है मुझे. I can wear a shirt, but if I wear the shirt, I have to iron the shirt. What a tough day. What major problems in life. Oh God. God help us. But I think I'm gonna wear this shirt. I'm ready. The shirt definitely looks better. I have some flyaways. This stick is just my savior for every bad hair day. This is the IKT wax stick. I'm sure you've seen it somewhere on Reels or something, but it honestly is like a savior. Today is a Sunday. I have had the most perfect day so far. It's around 5 in the evening, but I went to the gym in the morning, came back, had a shower, had lunch. I was watching TV while having lunch. I started a new book, so I was reading for a little bit, and then I took a nap, and now I'm up. I don't think my Sunday could get any better. I just feel good. I didn't even have a very long nap. It was probably a 20-minute nap. It wasn't that long, but I feel energized after waking up. The power of naps, guys. It's real. But anyway, I ordered a bunch of sorry, there's something in my eye. So I ordered a bunch of organizers from Amazon. For all of you that follow me on YouTube, it is no secret that I am obsessed and I love acrylic organizers. So I got this one. It's for my sunglasses. You can see it's got like multiple compartments. So I ordered a few of these. Another thing I ordered is a pack of chips. These are supposed to be healthier, but I asked my nutritionist because I was craving chips, and she said that I can have these, like the specific brand. I can have like 1 pack every day. These are the chips. It's called Natch, and it's a chickpea puff. I ordered like a big pack of different flavors because it's my first time trying. I don't know what flavor is good. So we have barbecue, we have smoky chipotle. This I will for sure like. Barbecue. Another flavor is vegan cheddar, and the last flavor is hot chili. I think only the barbecue one I'm not sure of, but I can at least try. Another thing I ordered is, you can't see them, they are in boxes, but these are jewelry organizers. I don't want to open the organizers from the box till I am ready to put it in because I already have बहुत पसारा here. तो मुझे और पसारा नहीं करना है. I'm just gonna keep the organizers.
आइडिया तो दो मुझे कि ये फ्लेवर्स हैं तो मैं बताऊंगा.
Barbecue, vegan cheddar, hot chili, smoky chipotle.
स्मोकी चिपोटले का तुझको भी वही करना था।
यस, मैंने वही बोला सबसे पहले। लेट्स सी।
अच्छी
थोड़ा स्मोकी स्मेल आ रहा है मुझे।
कितने 10 में से आप इसको पॉइंट्स देना चाहते हैं?
6। थोड़ा चिपोटले कम, स्मोकी ज्यादा।
थोड़ा आपने उसमें जो
सॉरी, इतना बुरा नहीं है बट
मतलब एक्सपेक्टेड नहीं था बट थोड़ा ज्यादा स्मोकी है।
अब क्या कर सकती हूँ। अब मैंने
इन चिप्स का नहीं यही है, रात के एक खाओ तो फिर मन करता है पूरा पैकेट खत्म करो वरना छोड़ो।
अब हेल्दी है बट एक अलाउड है मुझे सिर्फ, तो मैं दूसरे आज ट्राई नहीं कर सकती एवरी डे।
आपकी तो बड़ी कहानी।
I had just come for an event and I just got done. Can't really show you my outfit. I'm wearing this very cute top which has a bow here. It's butter yellow, just like my nails. How cute. Butter yellow is color of the moment. It wasn't planned, but how cute. Now I am on my way back home. I'm already very hungry, but there is so much traffic. I haven't moved from my spot. I'm just in the same lane and it's going so slowly. But I just want to get home because I am very hungry. It's time for my evening snack. I came home from the event and then we ate food, changed into like comfier clothes, and then we went out for a movie. We went to watch Chandu Champion, which is Kartik Aaryan's new movie, and it's based on the life of an athlete. Such a good movie. Fully enjoyed it. It's got like lighter, funnier moments also. It's not like a very serious, heavy movie, but just very good. And now I'm so sleepy, I need to take my makeup off. It's the next day. We are going to IKEA. I placed an order, but I wanted it to come early, so I am going to collect my order and pick it up from the store so that I can bring it back with me safely.
सेफली तो बबल रैप में बहुत में रख के ले जाएंगे।
मैं कल जब मेरे इवेंट के लिए गई थी, मैं सुन रही थी सुनिधि चौहान एसेंशियल्स। शी इज वन ऑफ माय फेवरेट बॉलीवुड सिंगर्स। फिर हमने रात को देखी चंदू चैंपियन, और फिर मैं सोच रही थी लाइक इफ आई वांटेड, मतलब ये लाइफ में भी मैं चाहती थी लाइक एक्टर बनना, नॉट सिंगर स्पेसिफिकली, बट इफ आई हैड अनदर लाइफ, तो मैं चाहती कि मैं या तो एक म्यूजिशियन बनूं या मैं एक एथलीट बनूं। एंड एथलीट ऑल्सो आई डोंट नो व्हाट कैपेसिटी, बिकॉज मैंने स्कूल में खेला है स्पोर्ट्स, एंड मैंने स्कूल में मॉडर्न स्पोर्ट्स ऑल्सो, स्कूल में मैं एथलेटिक्स में ज्यादा थी, लाइक रनिंग रेसेस एंड ऑल। एंड अब मुझको अगर कोई भगाए या मुझे बोले 100 मीटर्स करने, आई डोंट नो मुझे कितना टाइम लगेगा 100 मीटर्स करने। फिर मैं चंदू चैंपियन देख के बहुत इंस्पायर हो गई। तो मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है तेरे लिए
क्या?
कि अगर तुझे कुछ और प्रोफेशन सोचना होता, बिकॉज आई फील लाइक म्यूजिशियन, बिकमिंग एन एथलीट, ये सब वैसी चीजें हैं कि आप मतलब चाइल्डहुड से ही
तो मेरा तो
इनग्रेन्ड हो आपके सिस्टम में, आपके पैशन हो, और आप उसी के लिए उसी के टुवर्ड्स वर्क करो थ्रू आउट।
मैं तो कभी किसी को बताया नहीं, पर मैं तो ऑलमोस्ट मतलब मैं स्टेट लेवल खेला हूँ नॉन टेनिस, पर वो इंजरी के बाद से मैं फिर खेल नहीं पाया टेनिस कभी।
एडी का एक्चुअली चाइल्डहुड फुल ऑन स्पोर्ट्स हैवी था, लाइक टेनिस, क्रिकेट, फुटबॉल, स्क्वॉश।
मेरे डैड बैडमिंटन प्लेयर थे, तो बैडमिंटन भी खेलता था उनके साथ पहले।
आई थिंक स्क्वॉश मैं भी बहुत खेलती थी, मेरी मॉम के साथ जाती थी मैं, नॉट टेनिस।
बेसिकली मेरा आंसर होगा इस क्वेश्चन के लिए कि पायलट बनना चाहता हूँ। पता नहीं मतलब मैं चाहूँगा अगर मेरे पास एक न्यू होगा, पर मैं एयरफोर्स के लिए बनना चाहूँगा, तो मैं मिलिट्री के लिए काम करना चाहूँगा कुछ भी वे में, बट प्रेफर ये करूँगा या पायलट करूँ, मतलब पायलट बनूँगा। बट मेरे को इस लाइफ में तो नहीं लगता मैं इतना पढ़ पाता है, फिर एरोडायनामिक्स के बारे में समझ पाता है इतना, तो मैंने फिर सोचा कि चलो ठीक है कुछ और ही करते हैं। बट अगर मुझे एक और चांस मिलेगा तो मैं भी या तो स्पोर्ट्स मतलब एथलीट बनना चाहूँगा या पायलट बनना चाहूँगा। एक्टर बनने का मेरा मन था, मतलब स्टार्टिंग में अभी कॉलेज के बाद,
हाँ।
बट अब मैं नहीं चाहता कि मैं करूँ।
I
मेरे को
feel
फेमस
like
नहीं होना है, मतलब पता नहीं क्यों ऐसा बोलना नहीं चाहिए, मतलब हमारा प्रोफेशन हाफ वही है, मतलब एक देखा जाए तो।
fame वाला भी concept is very different, but when you excel at something, fame is a byproduct of that. I feel like if you're the best at what you do, if you see like a nail technician, for example, nail art जो करते हैं, when they are getting into that profession, उनको तो कोई नहीं बोलेगा कि आप बहुत मतलब गेम चेंजर इसमें जा रहे हो या, but when they excel at it, they will end up meeting so many big people, like doing nails for them, which is a great this thing achievement. And बाद में लोग बोलेंगे कि वाओ ये तो बहुत अच्छा कर रही है अपने इसमें, but start में नहीं support करेंगे कोई इतना. I feel like it takes a lot of dedication also. Any profession actually. Like Chandu Champion was very different. वो पता नहीं कैसे उसका mind चला जाता था, and it is based on a true story. Yeah, it was very inspiring, and there is something about doing something not just for yourself but for something beyond you, like doing it for your people, for your country, and it's very nice to see. We met a very cute viewer at Starbucks. She wrote on my mug also, on my cup, sorry. Very sweet. And now we've come to Extra Butter, which is right next to the Starbucks in Worli. A very cool sneaker and clothing store. I actually found out about this store because there's a interior designer that I follow, and she actually designed this store, and that's how I found out about it. And I came here like a few months back and got some sneakers when I had come for my passport thing, because the passport office is also very close by. What they have, but it's a very like cool store, and they also have a coffee shop, and my coffee is actually not great at all, so I'm regretting taking a coffee from Starbucks, and then I should have just got it from here. Unpopular opinion, but I don't like the smell of mitti after it rains.
क्या बोल दिया तूने यार, ये मतलब
मिट्टी की खुशबू after it rains is. I just got back from the gym and my body, literally head to toe, everything is hurting and I feel very drained and tired. Now I need to eat my evening snack and then have dinner. It's already very late. It's 7:45. I don't know if I'll open my IKEA packages tonight. I'm very tired, but let's see after my shower how I feel. We were planning to watch House of Dragon because the first episode of the second season is now out. Literally after 2 years they've come out with a new season. I remember after I watched it, I had made Addy also watch the show, like very excited. I was like, you have to watch, you have to watch. And then after he finished watching it, I told him that the second season is gonna come 2 years later. And he was like, मुझे फिर क्यों दिखाया तूने अब? Like you could have made me watch it close to when it was coming out. I need someone to feel like I'm feeling. Although I've already heard that the first episode isn't that great, and even last season it was so slow. Like every episode, like the build up took so long. I don't know what to expect from this season. I have just come back from another event and I need to quickly change into my PJs. Good morning. It's the next day. I fell off to sleep, so I forgot to do my pajama transition last night, but I'm still in my pajamas and we have decided अभी हम खोल रहे हैं हमारा IKEA package. My IKEA package that we bought has been sitting in my living room for 2-3 days. So now we've decided to go and open it. food storage, big jars, and we have this dabba also. Hey, Khushi, give that scissor. I've got some storage boxes for my drawers. Again, I didn't think कि इतना बड़ा डब्बा आएगा, but this is also food storage boxes जो kitchen के लिए they needed, है ना? It looked very small to me.
पिकनिक के लिए जाएगा तो उसमें डब्बे
ये सबसे बड़ा डब्बा है, उसके अंदर है ना सब. Hangers I got.
ये तो मैं लेके जा रहा हूँ.
नहीं देखो velvet दूंगी ना. Because my velvet ones in my washroom उस पे moisture बहुत आता है, तो they get fungusy smell all the time, and then it all transfers to my clothes, and every time I have to go out, then my clothes are smelling of. So I've got the plastic hanger set from IKEA. ये मेरा favorite IKEA cup है. Frother mixer. ये बहुत ही low quality लग रहा है.
100 रुपए में यही मिलेगा.
ये 139 रुपीज का था. इसमें बैटरी डालनी पड़ेगी, बट बहुत लो क्वालिटी का ये लग रहा है इसका. मेरा जो सप्लीमेंट पीना है ना मेरे को, बहुत ही गंदा वो है उसका ग्रैन्यूल्स. तो वो पानी में मुझे प्रॉपरली वो करना है उसको, बिकॉज वो पूरा एंड में इतना उसका रह गया था. सोच. देन वी हैव प्लांट्स. ये भी बहुत नकली लग, बट ठीक है, शेल्फ में रखने के लिए तो चलेगा. द स्मॉल plant, these dry leaf type things for a vase. This is nice. This is realistic. फिर भी fake plants are very good. IKEA.
ये भी बहुत नकली है.
Oh, 449 rupees. क्या अच्छा है, ये इतना फेक नहीं लग रहा. मेरे पीछे गार्डन बनते जा रहा है as we progress. And this तो of course सबका favorite dangly. सबके रूम में है ये एक. Just enhances any space. See, already this space is looking so healthy and happy. And one more leaf for some vase. We have a lot of vases, a lot of candle holders, pillow cover, and one planter. 2 planters.
चीजें खत्म नहीं हो रही, डब्बे में से निकलती जा रही है.
2 planters. इसमें एक आ जाएगा.
दूसरे वाला डाल के देखना.
Yes. अब ये एक और प्लांटर है मेरे पास, इसके लिए प्लांट नहीं है. ये वाला. हाँ हाँ, ये नहीं जाए, ये शायद इसमें चला जाएगा.
ब्राउन वाले का ना, मस्टर्ड वाला.
Perfect. चलो, last thing, we ordered a lamp, the famous mushroom lamp, जो और कॉपी की है. इसमें बल्ब नहीं आया ना. Perfect. Now we've adjusted the angle bit. It's very pretty. Competition करना है? Okay.
एक साथ बनाते हैं ना, एक समझ आ जाएगा, दूसरा अपने बन जाएगा.
समझना क्या है इसमें?
चलो देखते हैं.
नहीं नहीं रुको. हाँ, मुझे भी खोलने दो पहले, फिर स्टार्ट करना है. क्या हीटिंग करनी है? ठीक है. मैं भी क्यों ये लो. I share with anyone.
कौन चुका है? उर्दू.
Oh.
लैपटॉप में.
Sweet tea in the summer, cross your heart. Okay, तो एक ऐसा, एक ऐसा, एक ऐसा, right?
Wrong.
ठीक है. एक सेकंड. ये जाएगा इधर. टाइट तो हो नहीं रहा ये.
तो ये किस ले?
हाँ बट उसके हो रहा है. नीचे डाला तूने कुछ? ओह, मैंने तो शायद ही नहीं डाला.
हो रहा है. सही होएगा.
कुछ भी नहीं हो रहा है. देख, ऐसे कैसे जा सकता है ये? ये क्यों नहीं बैठ रहा पूरा?
अगर अब आपने एक भी क्वेश्चन पूछा ना मेरे से.
ओके,
कंपटीशन की बात नहीं की. मैं तो बोल रहा था एक साथ ही बनाते हैं, एक दूसरे की हेल्प करते हैं. खुद ही बोल रही है मैं तो नहीं बनाना तेरे साथ.
Done. I love the pizza. stackable. I got these 2 planters from H&M Home. So cute, but I felt like it can look really nice, like even on the stool. Use it to sit down, use it as a nesting table. Very multi-purpose, and I love the black color also because we have a lot of black accents, a lot of black furniture also. We have matte black hardware also. So I felt like these stools were perfect. That's everything we've got from IKEA. I think I'm going to end my video here. So I will see you in the next one. Bye.